I got you.
To the left hand side, and 6 and 9 to your right hand side. There is one to quickly walking.
Wow. Oh, this is really good. Let's check this out.
What? Same.
Wow. Wow.
Each pair will now dive down to only 100 feet above the sea. They're going to close the stream over 1 pound, 1 pound, 2 pounds. That's 8 and 9 in turn out for one of those popular beliefs.
Hello mga kalakbay, good morning. Ngayon naman ay August 31. Tayo naman ay pupunta sa CNE dito sa downtown Toronto para manood ng AIRSHOW. Sapagkat napakamahal ng parkingan doon, mga $25. So nag-decide tayo na mag-go train na lang. So pinark natin yung sasakyan dito sa go train station. At ayun ang aking train, nakaalis na, naiwan lang tayo. So maghihintay pa tayo ng another 15 minutes. So AIRSHOW na, let's go. So here's the go station that I'm telling you. So we're gonna go up and wait for the train to come. Okay, let's tap our card. This is the Presto card. We'll tap it. Oh, it's black. So my card doesn't work, so I have to buy another one over here. So this is a little bit cheaper, $7.15. Then going back another $7. Better than paying $25 parking ticket and then drive over there. So it's better here. Let's go. Let's go to the X. So here we are waiting for the train to come. There we go. Okay. This is on the other side of the track, so that's not our train. I think we have to go to the other side. Okay, it's arriving now. Here we go. Ito na yung ating train. Wow. Oh. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, no more spot for us. We'll go to the, we'll go up, up. We're almost there. We are now at CNE.
Is your eastbound train towards Union Station. Once again, eastbound passenger, the train at platform 4 is your eastbound train towards Union Station. Please stay well behind the yellow platform line. This is your reminder. Please remember to tap on and tap off your card while riding with full transit. Train at platform 4 is your eastbound train towards Union Station. For your safety, please stay well behind the yellow platform line. Once again, all the passengers at the proper level. For your safety, there will be a yellow platform line.
That's how many. That's how many.
While riding with more transit, please remember to tap on and tap off your card. At the gate, while riding with more transit, please remember to tap on and tap off your card.
So we're entering now to the CNE ground.
Please proceed to the east of the platform line. I repeat, for long branch passengers, please proceed to the east of the platform line. Stop is on site to assist you with this navigation. For your safety, we will behind the yellow platform line. This is a reminder, while riding in good service, please remember to tap on and tap off your card.
Here we go. The CNE.
I mean, no offense.
So we are here now at CNE ground. We're going to see what's going on here. This is going to be more fun, more crowded, more lineup. So we're just gonna move around and see.
I said balance, but they were overlaunched. That's I don't know why you would go for it. That just sounds bad. Just do it like it says.
Here we go again. This will be the last week of CNE before the school start on Tuesday.
So you're gonna hang on these for me while I get your pants.
The last week, and it's gonna be crowded.
Razor down on your
Pretty straightforward. Wipe them as quick as you can. First person to 150 points wins the prize, okay?
Later on, we're gonna watch the air show. Air show will start at 12 o'clock, and it's only 10:30 a.m.
Get it started. Baby, you come on up, Puna every single time.
We're just gonna move around for now, so you can see what's going on over here. Ito na ang CNE. Ang tawag dito ay Canadian National Exhibition. Dito sa Toronto, Canadian National Exhibition. Ayun.
That one is.
Titingnan natin yung mga rides. We'll see all the rides over here. That's the BMO field. That's where they play the Argonauts thing. The footballer.
Way to go, huh? Hey, how about the lagoon?
them. It's starting to line up now. Ooh, what's that? The outlaw.
Try to practice it.
She said that looking for me just as long as I get my rent money by next Friday.
Wow, roasted. We're almost there at the start. People are starting to come now.
Put your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now.
Look at the feet.
Keep on riding. Please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands
Look at the Ferris wheel.
Put your hands under your chest. Marks being closed by the attendant. Please keep in mind this is a one-way ride only. And enjoy your ride.
So let's check out the entrance. The entrance of the CNE, the Canadian National Exhibition. It's good to have that cover. The bubble.
They all have the stage.
So here we go, the CNE.
Over there.
Kita lihat AIRSHOW.
There you go. Sorry. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. It's a Canadian.
Okay, the guy said the AIRSHOW will be going to that area. And it started at 12 o'clock, so it's good start. We can, I can show you this area, all the way to that area, and then we can watch the AIRSHOW. And looks like I'm so hungry. Maybe we can buy Tim Horton again. Or we can go inside the food court. Okay, lineup is starting to build up. Nag-uumpisa ng pumila mga tao. See? It's starting to build up. So it's $5 for coupon, 20 coupon for 22. Oh, that's how many times you can ride. And there's a size, 48 inches.
Enjoy your ride.
Ayun, at least 48 inches yung bata.
Organize your party and help your children to be seated. Children under 42 inches tall must be accompanied by a responsible adult.
Busy now.
Sit down on the seat when it arrives.
There's only 3 days left before this thing closes.
On your left.
So,
Exit now. Alrighty. Please remove your hands from the handrail. Keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now.
Hi guys.
Alrighty. Please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now.
wow! Okay, check this out. Oh, it's stopped. Let's check out this ride. Lots of pride. Go! Ayun! Ayun! Wow! Let's see this stuff. Wow, it's so hot. It's so hot today. Let's see. Now let's see. Whoa!
I went up. I flew. Did you? I fell.
Coming down. Here we go. Oh. Crazy.
That's awesome. Okay, give your mount back. Okay.
Oh, that's crazy ride. Lots of crazy rides over here at CME. There you go, watch this one. Let's watch this one. Oh, look at that. We're gonna stop in the middle. Oh. Oh. I told you. Looks like we're gonna hit us. They're gonna hit us. Woo. Oh. Crazy feeling. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. This one.
They'll be here.
Oh, sorry. This is huge one. This is like the one in Niagara Falls. Wow. Oh, this one's nice. Yan. Good. Ayun naman. Lots of That's crazy. We're gonna hit the water. Because Niagara Falls. See. Whoa. There you go. You gotta get wet. No ride in the air. Oh. Now let's go to the food court and buy something.
Jump over. Back here. Everybody, can I get a deal quick? The four of you join right now. And sitting on.
You gotta throw the ball.
This one, she wants her day better. I'm gonna pull her out.
More things over here. Oh my God.
Birthday game, and we're looking for a game to play here at the theater.
Where's the
Might as well stop by
food
the
court?
birthday game.
Oh, the food court is on that side.
Any one of these amazing prizes.
My goodness. Lots of long walk.
Go ahead and take your best.
Don't worry, we're almost there.
Yeah.
Look at the entrance. Wow. Yay. Entrance. And people are going to that area for the air show. We're just gonna go get some food before we head into the air show. That's how crazy here in 𝐀𝐢𝐫. People keep coming, and it's only 11 a.m.
He's like, yes, let's do it. Don't run away.
Now this is the food court. Yeah, the food court. Whew, it's hot already inside the food court. The last 3 days of 𝐀𝐢𝐫 is crazy. Why it's so hot inside? So this is it. This is the food court. So now I don't know which one to buy. I don't know many of them. Arby's, maybe. Maybe we buy the Arby's. Mexican. Manfu Wok. He's trying to push me out and say sorry. Mike. Okay, I think we're almost done going around on this huge food court.
Only 20 minutes of food.
The taste of CNE. That's it. That's it for the taste of CNE. And I'm going to buy pizza to be safe. Yeah, it's a pizza. Wow. This is for the soldier of fortune. That's how the tank. And they have a canyon. Is it canyon? Wow. Oh, this is very good. Seventh Toronto Regiment. Wow. Look at that guy. It's caliber 50. Whoa. Caliber 50. Lots of weapons. Armalite. Apply online if you want to be a soldier. Okay, let's go to the air show. Okay, we're heading to the air show. It says this way. They said this way. Wow, more over here to see before we go to the flyer, before we headed to the air show. Let's check this out. Ganda. Ayun. Nandito pala yun. I think it's starting now. Let's see. That's the view. This is the viewing area. Wow, it's hot.
Joining in trail on the rest of the formation. In early June 2024, we celebrated and commemorated the 80th anniversary of D-Day. And all our allied partners have been patient. This is Spitfire.
Let's fight for the spot. There we go.
The right-hand side of Red One is Red 2, scoring the Chris McCann. Keeping and safety purposes. He's also responsible for many of the images and videos you see across social media. Reds 8 and 9 in trail now for one of the most popular manoeuvres that we fly. Out to the front left, this is the Tornado.
Where are you, Tornado?
The board call is made by red 9 is red 80. That's the small ball at the base of the aircraft towards the rear. Smoking them on. 2024.
There we go. Let's go. That one is not a good spot, so we'll find a better one. Let's go closer. Let's move a little bit closer.
No one hasn't seen you have fun. I'm expecting it to be. Yeah, for sure.
You got that Mexican. Okay. See the hat, the title set here?
That's a lot of people there.
This is the aircraft that we're still flying today. The Hawk itself is actually 50 years old this year. It's an extremely fun and agile aircraft to fly. All the pilots that have flown it, either through training or the safe to say she's one of their favourites.
Well, you pick what you want to do. I don't care. Make a decision. Okay, this way.
Crazy. Once again, get your cameras ready for the Hannah.
Going down, please.
Yeah.
Down.
Wow. Whoa. I got you.
To the left-hand side, red 6 and 9 to your right-hand side. Hannah and the synchro pair are led by the synchro leader. That is red 6, flight lieutenant Stuart Roberts. Off to our right, smoking white. Stu is in his third and final year on the team. He's a former Typhoon pilot with 11 and 12 squadron based at RAF Covington in Lincolnshire. Each pair will now dive down to only 100 feet above the sea. They've got a close to speed of over 1,200.
Yeah, all the blue and red.
Boys and girls, get your cameras ready for the Hannah pass.
Whoa, where are you?
Full speed.
Wow, it's a heart.
That's the red 6, 7 and 8. A massive round of applause for one of the heart.
Whoa.
Look to the front left 45, you can see Enid running in, being joined by red 8 and 9.
There you go. Oh. O sige, mamaya ako tatawag sa'yo, okay?
And you can see our famous red, white and blue only capable due to the smoke pod, which is a small tank in the belly of the airplane. That smoke pod is capable of producing approximately 5 minutes of white smoke. 1 minute of red smoke.
Coming.
Every single member of the team from the officer commanding down to the newsroom strive for excellence in everything they
Tango est chef d'élément qualifié au combat à bord de 𝐶FP-8 Hornet pour le 85 escadron d'appui tactique à la 3e escadron d'Agueville en Québec. Let's go live to the cockpit and hear from Tango.
Dear Captain Lee Toronto, Captain Long here live from the cockpit of Hornet 100. This year's the second year for both the International Airshow celebrating 75 years and the World Canadian Air Force setting 100-year birthdays today. I will be providing the entertainment. Please sit back, relax, and cover your ears.
Watch for the red hot afterburner, the Hornet's tailpipe.
Wow!
Other fighter jets can slow down, but Toronto, I've got a feeling none of them will point to your CSAT car. Number 10.
This place is full of people. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Here we go, folks. Canadian International AIRSHOW. They do that every year over here at CNE.
I got a fucking sign. I don't know.
Beautiful. Okay, it looks like that's it for today's air show. Now we're heading back to CNE ground. Let's go to CNE ground and enjoy the rest of the day. Oh, Snowbird souvenir. I guess maybe more air show tomorrow and Monday, the actual holiday. I hope you guys enjoy the view on today's video. Lots of good things happening here at CNE. It's like a supersonic sound. Oh, because it's high speed, I couldn't capture it. Where are you? Oh, here. So loud. So loud and tasty. Wow. Ayun. May chicken. Barbecue boys. And smokehouse. Haha. That's supersonic. That's crazy loud. What's about this? Oh, there's a rib fest. At CNE. Oh. What's that?
Sorry. Will you open the door? Yeah, I press it too.
Super loud. Let's go find it. Where are you? There you go. You will go down. Going down. Ha. There. Oh, there's more rides on this side.
I get some yummy chicken.
Oh, I can see from here. Oh, you. So loud.
Oh, he's gonna drop.
Let's see this side of the more rides over here. I think this is for the kids. Yeah, this is the kids' rides. And the other side is for the adult. Maybe I can go around and show you. So if you have a kids, you can take it here next time. So this is CNE Kids kids area.
Let's try. You think you need to
1897. I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share and like if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. 𝐀𝐢𝐫, the Canadian Explorer.
Winner now walks away with over $137,000. Just 3 days left for you to win some big money. So come on over and get your 50-50.
Thank you.
Over
There was actually an accident.
We got December.
I'm just used to it. As I get older, I'm like, oh man, I'm not that's for you.
At least got one, folks. At least got one. It helps a little. It was wonderful either way. Who wants to give it a try next, folks? Age, weight, older, birth month. And he's stepping up. He's planning. He went to university for planning, so he's planning his plan of attack, folks. I said planning like 6 times in that sentence. Oh my God. All right, stepping up here, young man. What are we doing? $5? Want to take this one with you as well? I was supposed to the box.
And we're done.